Face open.
There's no food in the buffet.
Bring me back a pina colada.
I'm not doing anything for you.
Pina colada. If you like pina colada.
Pina colada.
If you might like make a love at midnight. Pina colada. That's all the words I know. Pina colada and making love at midnight.
Yeah.
Brady!
What?
Brady!
What up, Ben?
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Brady.
What?
Stop drinking so much.
I'm too young, Ben.
Well, you know. Then you need to stop drinking so much. You're too young.
What?
Oh, yeah, good. Ricky.
Huh?
Yeah. You do whatever you want.
Sam, here's your gut.
Just don't drink. Eat
Can I
ice
smoke?
cream,
Here's your...
pie, and macaroni.
You can bust them up.
I don't need pie.
Well, shut up. Just don't drink. I'll drink. I'll drink enough for everybody.
You know what's
Really?
funny
Hey,
is that
Dad,
you're not
Dad.
drinking.
Hey, Dad.
Really?
Hey, Dad! Dad!
Can I do that for you?
Hey, dudes, what's up?
I'm gonna
It'll
keep
be
it
like,
from the
damn, I
bottom.
told Terry not to bring Ben on this vacation, and I'll be like,
I'll put some in the wheel.
Brady.
shut up, Luke. There's a hat in my face and I can't see nothing.
We're on vacation.
Hey, Ben.
Hey, we're on vacation. First day. It ain't even been an hour yet. And your brother's trash.
Actually, we've been on the boat for like 3 hours, Ben.
Oh, well, then, damn right I'm trash. We've been on this boat for 3 hours.
There you go.
Hey, there we go, Brady.
Sam, why are you wearing a suit? He's wearing your
Sam's
suit.
got on your Donald Trump shirt.
Yeah, that's a $200 shirt, Sam.
I'm gonna be well.
Are you recording me?
No, I'm on.
It looks like you're recording.
I'm on.
He's on
I'm on Facebook.
Post it all, dude.
What are you
I'll be
doing?
like, "Woo."
I'm talking to my girlfriend on Facebook.
Everybody's jealous because I'm
supposed
like,
to stand.
"Wee."
Sit on.
Shut up. Who's that? Rub my feet, please. Who are you?
Who are you?
Yeah, who just grabbed my whatever leg, calf, rub my foot?
Who are you, Ben?
I'm Russell
I was
Brand.
on there before.
I thought your name was Ben.
Nope, it's Russell Brand.
You're a heroin addict?
Yep. For this week I am.
What's that? When you need it.
You have the wrong accent.
Good day, mate.
Yeah, bitch.
Luke. You're such a fag. You like it in the butt.
Oh man, Ben.
Oh, baby. Luke likes it in the butt.
What are you doing?
Oh, that's funny. You little faggot.
Hey, are you okay, Ben?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm chilling.
This is what happens when you drink.
He's gonna wake up in the morning.
Be like, what the is going on?
Dude, I'm gonna wake up in the morning and start drinking immediately.
Luke, put this on
A
here.
whole week of.
Luke.
What is this a week of?
Give me that bottle.
It's Somebody remind me,
Luke.
what is this a week of?
Hand me that bottle so I can see how much he drank in like 3 hours.
Incoherent bliss. Don't forget those words. Incoherent bliss.
Stop.
Wow, 3 hours.
3 hours and this is gone. Ready. Put that right there. Right next to the Coke bottle. There you go.
You little bastard. Pull that piece of ice out of my ankle. Right now, you little bastard.
Really? Luke, really?
Come on, just because your brother doesn't get drunk, or gets drunk, or something,
Luke, really?
doesn't mean really, Brady. Come on, you. This little bastard. Luke's a little bastard. Come on, this is my bed.
Here.
Come on, hey, put the ladder back. Take this, and go put that somewhere. You little bastard. Nobody likes you, Luke. That's why you have no friends. You're a little bastard.
Stop it.
Yeah, we'll put those back. You little bastard. Everybody raise your hand if you don't like Luke. Hey, Luke.
Hey, how you
Hey,
doing?
Luke, no one likes you.
Oh, no.
That's too funny. So what's this dinner thing about? I've got ice all over my bed. Because you're a little bastard. It's cold on my thigh and I don't even know how to get to it. Rock your stash. Shut up, Ricky.
You don't
Brady.
need this. It's not a blanket.
Brady.
Was I there before?
Brady.
What?